Introducing ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Convenience and security maximized. With features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, smart auto lock that will trigger only when your door is closed, and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is modern home security, a smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors like Airbnb guests temporary access codes. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered from anywhere you are. ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and a dynamic key make every single data transfer secure, so you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use the backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi with the rest of your smart home, and use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Convenience and security maximized.